Thank you for coming back to my channel. Y'all, I know I've already made a video today, but this is something that just popped up and it won't wait until tomorrow. I got to get it off my chest before I explode. Y'all, those phone numbers are in my description box. Please get those numbers. Call the senators, the congressmen, the members of the House, the White House, everybody. Call them all and let them know how you feel about this. Over $500 billion was given in the form of grants. This is money that don't have to be paid back. This money was given to different businesses. This is our money, and we're still waiting for our little crumbs on the floor in the form of a little stimulus check. This money was given to businesses and investors. The people that don't need stimulus is getting it. They're paying the rich and forgetting about us. Steve Mnuchin says he won't let the name of these companies go public. Why? What is he hiding? If everything is on the up and up, why are they hiding it? This is our money and we demand we know who got it. We have to wait for the little $1,200 check or $2,000 check, whatever it is they're going to send us, when they send it, and who knows when that will be. But yet these companies, like overnight, they approve this stimulus for them. Now, my question is, since they're hiding it, something must be wrong. Who does these companies belong to? Do they belong to their friends? Did the companies even get this money in the first place? Or did the money go to fund their other pet projects and they're using this as a hiding tool? Or did the money just simply wind up in the pockets of crooked politicians? It's happened before, it can happen again. Right now we got 40 million people unemployed. People are hurting everywhere. We got 91 top companies not paying a cent in income tax. But you and I, the little money we make, we're taxed to death on. Amazon, the biggest company in the world, you know how much tax they pay? Not a single red cent. Now they should be paying the bulk of it because they are the biggest company in the world. Let your voices be heard. Y'all, I'm sorry my demeanor is not the way it normally is, but this really got me hot under the collar. I had to come in here and let this out before I explode. Please call those numbers. Let them know how you feel. Y'all, I love you all, and I'll see you tomorrow. Ciao.